Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected viewers, we are going to make this lesson 10 in the absence of my students because they have learned this very topic I've taught them. So I need to make it now and send to all of you for your benefit. And the topic is al-mudaf wal-mudaf ilayh. Al-mudaf means possessed. What is possessed? What is owned? You call it mudaf. The possessor is called mudaf ilayh. Mudaf ilayh. That is the owner of such thing. In English, for example, you can have something like this: Muhammad's book. Muhammad's book. Muhammad being the possessor, and the book is the possessed, or what is owned. Who owns this book is Muhammad. But in Arabic, you will have to mention what is owned first before the possessor. You mention the possessed first, which is called mudaf, before you mention the possessor, mudaf ilayh. So Muhammad's book will be Kitabu Muhammad, Kitabu Muhammad in Arabic. Also, Akhi means my brother. If my brother owns a car, I will say Sayyaratu Akhi. I will mention what he owns first before I mention the possessor. Sayyaratu Akhi. In English, it will mean my brother's car. My brother's car. Take note. And in such case, what is the possessor will take kasra. Will take kasra to represent this apostrophe in my brother's car. This apostrophe S, this kasra will represent that. In that case, mudafu ilayhi, the possessor should take kasra. Now look at about for more examples. Here you say Sayyaratul Mudir. Sayyaratul Mudir, the principal's car. The principal's car. Baytul Mudarris. Baytul Mudarris, the teacher's house. Haqibatul Talib. Haqibatul Talib, the student's bag. Nazara means eyeglass. Nazaratu Khalid. Nazaratu Khalid will mean Khalid's eyeglass. Na'lu Yusuf, Yusuf's shoe. Na'lun, shoe. Take note. Qalansuwatu Ahmad. Qalansuwatu Ahmad, Ahmad's cap. Fustanu Ukhti. Fustanu Ukhti, my sister's dress. My sister's dress. Qamisu Akhi, my brother's shirt. My brother's shirt. Qiladatu Ummi. Qiladatu Ummi, my mother's necklace. You may have Qiladatu Ummika, your mother's necklace. Qiladatu Ummihi, his mother's necklace. Qiladatu Ummiha. Qiladatu Ummiha, her mother's necklace. Don't forget, you can alternate the pronoun there. Sirwalu Akhi, my brother's trouser. You may have Sirwalu Muhammad, Sirwalu Abi, Sirwalu Abika, and the rest. Tannuratu Maryam, Tannuratu Maryam, Maryam's skirt. Maryam's skirt. Tanura skirt. قرط فاطمة. قرط Fatima. Fatima's earring. Earrings means qurtun. Most of the words here used, the objects here are new vocabularies. Try to learn them all as we shall make use of them when we enter the class, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, I will stop here and let us take a quiz. I will ask you some questions. You render them into Arabic for us, and also some Arabic for you to translate into English. Then you will drop your scores down there below for us to view how your performance has been all this while. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.